Chapter 13: Business and Technology. Nearly every business uses some type of computer. A company needs quick, efficient processing to control its operating cost, management resources, and stay competitive. There's four elements of a computer system. These four elements are input device, processing unit, memory and storage, and output device. A program is a series of detailed, step-by-step instructions that tell the computer what functions to complete. The most powerful computer programs are in formats that are very difficult to understand. The format of a computer program is in a computer language. A computer language is a system of letters, words, and numbers, and also symbols used to communicate with a computer. Computers in businesses and schools are commonly linked together in a computer network. Organizations link computers together so users can share hardware, software, and data. The Internet is the largest and best-known computer network in the world. One of the local computer networks is an intranet. This is an organization's private computer network. It is based on the same communication standards as the Internet. An intranet is a smaller version of the Internet. A computer virus is a program code hidden in a system that can later do damage to a software or stored data. The virus may be programmed to become active on a certain date or when certain data is accessed. Some computer viruses are harmless. Application software refers to programs that perform specific tasks such as word processing, database management, or accounting. Commonly used application software includes word processing, desktop publishing, database, spreadsheet, and presentation software. Most businesses, reports, and information are created with word processing software. This type of program allows the user to enter, store, revise, and print text for letters, memos, reports, or standard business forms. Desktop publishing usually includes graphic software to prepare charts, graphs, or other visual elements. Today's computer graphics are commonly used in television commercials, movies, or training materials. A database is organized collections of information with data items related to one another in some ways. In recent years, data marketing has become very popular. Software is used to maintain, analyze, and combine customer information files. Spreadsheet software is a program that formats data in columns, rows, in order to do calculations. The location where a column and a row intersects is called a cell. A spreadsheet is created with specific information, words, numbers, or formulas. Presentation software allows a speaker to show text, data, photos, and other visuals. These images may be accompanied by sound effects, music, or other audio. This use of multimedia elements adds to the value and enjoyment of presentations. Computers create many of the products you use each day. Computer-aided design, or CAD, refers to the use of technology to create products, styles, and designs. Computer-assisted instructions is the use of computers to help people learn or improve skills at their own pace. With CAI, students work at a speed that best serves their needs. Telecommuting involves the activities of a worker using a computer at home to do a job. Telecommuting saves travel time and cost. It results in less traffic along with reduced noise and air pollution. Each year, more and more people become telecommuters. Piracy is selling or illegally copying software packages or information. It can be a significant problem. In some countries, between 1/3 and 1/2 of the software used is obtained illegally. Chapter 12: Financial Management. A budget gives detailed plans for the financial needs of individuals, families, and businesses. A business budget has two main purposes. The first purpose is to anticipate sources and amounts of income for a business. The second is to predict the types of amounts and expenses for a specific business activity or the entire business itself. There's three main types of budgets: startup, operating, and cash budgets. The startup budget plans income and expenses from the beginning of a new business or a major business expansion until it becomes profitable. Most startups require expenditures of thousands or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in order to open. The operating budget describes the financial plan for ongoing operations of the business for a specific period. The operating budget is usually planned for 3 months, 6 months, or a year. An operating budget is prepared for the entire business. A cash budget is an estimate of the actual money received and paid out for a specific period. A cash budget will determine if a business is adequate financial records on hand to pay bills as they become due or if they will need to borrow money. To report the revenue, expenses, and net income or loss from operations for a specific period, a business must prepare an income statement. An income statement usually covers 6 months or a year, but may also encompass a shorter period of time, such as 1 month. A payroll is a financial record of employee compensation, deductions, and net pay. A payroll system maintains information on each employee to be able to calculate the company's payroll and to make a necessary payment to each employee. Payroll records are documentations used to process earnings, payment, and records each employee's payment history. In some companies, payroll records are still maintained in paper form. In today's society, most companies are now using computerized systems to maintain payroll records electronically. The payroll records for each employee contain all the information an employer needs in order to pay the worker. Discrepancies are differences between actual and budgeted performance. Discrepancies let managers identify problems before they become serious enough to hurt the business. They may also see areas where financial performance is better than what was budgeted.